Hi everybody, my name is Fu Li. In this lesson, you are going to learn 9 Chinese characters and words or phrases made up of them. As you learn these characters, you will know what pictographic and indicative characters are and understand the concept of character strokes. First, let's look at 4 characters. This character is 人. The character was originally written like this. It was made by drawing the shape of a person who is standing in this way. So, the meaning of 人 is person. This character is 大. This is the Asian form of 大. It was made by drawing a man stretching himself to convey the meaning of big. This character is 山. This is the Asian form of 山. It looks like the rough shape of a mountain. So the meaning of 山 is mountain or hill. This character is 火. 火 was originally written like this. It was made by drawing the shape of a flame to indicate the meaning of fire. These characters are called pictographic characters because they were originally created by outlining the rough shape of things to represent concrete things. Now let's see how to write these Chinese characters. To write Chinese characters, we should know strokes. Characters are in the shape of a square and made up of strokes. Can you tell which strokes are included in these characters? There are 5 basic strokes: 横, 竖, 撇, 捺, 点. Actually, there is another basic stroke, 提. We will learn it in lesson 4. Besides, we can find the compound stroke, 竖折. Compound strokes can be in when 2 or more strokes are joined together in writing. You will find more compound strokes in other lessons. Please note, all strokes have directions. 横 is written horizontally from left to right. 竖 is written vertically from top to bottom. 撇 is written from top to lower left. 捺 is written from top to lower right. 点 is usually dotted to lower right. 竖折 is written in this way. Please follow me to read and write these characters. 人 撇 捺 大 横 撇 捺 山 竖 竖折 竖 火 点 撇 撇 捺. Now please pause your video for a moment and try to read some words made up of these characters for yourself. Can you read these words and figure out what they mean? This word is 大人. 大 means big. 人 means person. The meaning of 大人 is adult. 大山 big mountain. 大火 big fire. 火山 火 means fire. 山 means mountain or hill. 火山 actually means volcano. Please follow me to read them again. 大人，大山，大火，火山。Let's learn another 5 characters. These 3 characters are 一、二、三。一 means 1, made by drawing 1 line. 二 means 2, made by drawing 2 lines. 三 means 3, made by drawing 3 lines. You can see the characters for 1, 2, 3 are very simple and logical. But larger numbers can't be written like this. Here is the character 10, which means 10. Its original form is like this. It looks like a rope with a knot tied in it. So the short horizontal line indicates the knot in the rope, representing the meaning of 10. This character is 天. 天 looks similar to the character 大, but there is an extra short line on top of 大. 大 was made by drawing a man stretching himself to convey the meaning of big. The short line on top of it indicates the place above man, or something more powerful than man, which refer to sky or nature. Its another extended meaning is day, such as 3天, 3 days. These 5 characters are some of the indicative characters. Indicative characters usually have abstract meanings and were created by using some abstract symbols or by adding some abstract symbols to already existing characters. Now let's learn to write them. 一、横。二、横，横。三、横，横，横。十、横，竖。天，横，横。撇，捺。Please pause the video for a while and try to read some words and phrases made up of these characters for yourself. Let's read them together. 11、12、13、20、21、22、23、30、31、32、33、3天、10天、31天。That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.